Okay, we're in the middle of our Raspberry Pi to NES Emulator build. And we're going to solve a problem, or have solved a problem, with the Pi. The Pi normally takes a micro USB, and as soon as you plug it in, it boots like a normal computer. And to turn it off, you yank the cable. That's actually not good. No one just yanks the cable out of their computer. Shouldn't be the same for this either. So what we have is a chip with power pass-through and leads from a place called Mausberry Circuits that let you wire up your own power and reset. And so what we've done is we've wired it to the buttons on the original NES. Normally they'd be in there, but we took them out to wire them up and troubleshoot a few things. This piece is 30 years old, but thankfully it still works. So we're gonna push the power. That's going to let the Pi boot. And hey, we've got our emulator. We've already got our emulator OS. We're using RetroPie, which is a pre-built setup, real easy to do. And we're in. Normally we connect our controller. I got a Bluetooth NES controller that works real well, and then we boot in and do all that stuff. But that's not what this is about. We're looking at this. The original LED is dead, and who can blame it? It's 32 years old. Testing the leads show it's actually getting power, so at some point I will desolder this guy off and put a replacement LED on, so it gets that old familiar little red light. Not only does the power switch work, the reset switch works also. Reset literally just kills the power. It's like taking it, unplugging it and plugging it back in, which is not what we want to do, but it's good if for some reason the Pi locks up. But the real cool part of all of this is there's an IC on this board. So when we press the power button, it doesn't just kill it. It actually sends a command via these two pins, the blue and the white, to the Raspberry Pi's GPIO, general purpose input out, to run a script that actually does a shutdown. And when it does the shutdown, it turns the power off. So it actually works like a normal computer with this original power switch. So power on, normal boot. Click the power. System's actually being sent sudo shutdown, and it shuts down. Nice and safe. So at some point, we gotta get this LED fixed, and then we get to stuff this in there.